Welcome, friends. My name is Prashant Sukla, and today's topic is history of chess. If you search in Google what is history of chess, then it will show you that a game was discovered in India during the period of Gupta Empire in 6th century, and initially it was known as Chaturanga, and after it became Chaturanga to Shatranj. But what I know is something different. My opinion is that game was discovered in southern part of India and now it is Sri Lanka, and it was discovered by Queen Mandodari, wife of Ravan. And there were 10 pieces, and they were like king, queen, rook, knight, bishop, and one other piece which has dual presence as well, like rook, knight, bishop, and that made game of 10 pieces, and total squares were 100, not 64. Due to that, a name was given Shat Ranj. Shat means 100, Ranj means ranjish or conspiracy or planning, combined meaning planning of 100 squares. After discovery, many king and generals used to play that game in India as well other countries. Slowly after some period, similar games also discovered like theory, Chaturang in India, and Xiangqi in China, and Shogi in Japan, and many more in different countries. And after that, in medieval period, the game went to Europe from India through Persia. And after that, Europeans modernized the game what we play today. But in various parts of India, ancient chess is still in use, not in its original form, but different than European chess, in which pawn only moves once and it promotes to only piece in which it reaches. Like pawn reaches to rook square, and it can only be promoted to rook, and knight or bishop, and last piece cannot be captured. There were nothing like stalemate thing. That is all about history of chess. Tell me in comment section what you like and dislike. Please share your opinion about that. Thank you.